you go to the dashboard, you click Import Study Data, and now we're interested in importing from template. And you pick the files that are relevant here with all the data that is saved in CSV and has the correct format that RefMan expects as defined in the templates. So I will pick study information. You can see that RefMan actually checks your files, and here it says no errors found, so that's great. I'll continue and upload the arms. Again, no errors, that's great. And finally, the results. And since there are no errors, we are okay to go and import the study data. So I will just do that. And with that, we have created a few new studies and added data to them. So we can see here, if we go to the included studies, you'll see a list of studies, and looking at them, you can see that we have study arms, result data, and covariates all imported in a very short period of time. So that's exciting, but let's go to the analysis and see at what's really great, because we've previously told RefMan which data to pull in. It actually knows now what results will match them. So we go to the Graphs tab and see that here there's an analysis. Very exciting. And so this is really quite spectacular to be able to see the analysis populated so quickly after all the hard work. And you'll also see in the results here that some results have more decimals, and that is likely because RefMan has automatically generated contrast data from ARM data, or it has combined arms where relevant. But I think this data set doesn't have any studies that have more than two arms. But we can actually see this in play by changing the data source. So we only look at arm level data, for example, and then you can see that RefMan only pulls in the arm data that's available. So that's pretty exciting. We can also look at the other reviews analysis that we defined. So this analysis, which is a narrower analysis, includes fewer results, which is probably expected. We can also see one or more exacerbations with the low dose excluded. So here we can see there were actually quite a few with low dose, and going back into the subgroup, we can see results are now subgrouped based on the covariate values. So that was a demo of the process. Hopefully you have a better understanding of how study-centric data works in RefMan, and hopefully it gives you a bit of confidence to go out and try the practical exercise and to start using this for your review, because we're really looking forward to hear your feedback after you've tried it out.